Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can update the Jet plugins that go inside Monstroid to WordPress theme. It is really easy to do and it is possible to do right from your WordPress dashboard. So here on your left sidebar menu, you have to go to Monstroid. So from this menu you can manage everything you get inside Monstroid 2 theme. And here in this menu you have to go to plugins. And you're gonna see a list of all of the plugins that are available inside Monstroid 2. So once you install a skin, some of them will be installed along with the skin, but the other ones you'll have to install manually. You simply click install, and then when the installation is done, click activate. And now you have this plugin. In order to check for the updates for the plugins over here, you will click this green button saying check for updates. As you see under the title of every single plugin, you see the current version and the your version. Current version means the released version from the developers, and your version is the version that you have installed on your WordPress website. And simply click check for updates, and you're gonna see if your version that you have on your website matches with the current version from developers. If the current version says a bigger number, you'll need to update your version that you have on your website. When that is, you're gonna see the update link next to the documentation link, and you'll need to click on it and your plugin will be updated. Also, the developers are constantly releasing new Jet plugins for Elementor, and these plugins will be automatically added to your Monstroid 2 package. In order to learn whether there are any new plugins, you'll need to click check for new plugins button. If there are any new plugins, you will see them appearing here in the list. So that's pretty much it for this video on how you can update your Jet plugins inside Monstroid 2 WordPress theme. If you have any other questions regarding Monstroid 2 WordPress theme, leave them in the comment section down below. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.